Hello everybody, today we're going to take a trip inside of my closet. We're going to talk about 6 different things that you can do that will make your closet look more minimalistic without actually reducing the number of items that is inside of your closet. So with minimalism is actually the art form that was invented in 1950, and it's to do with painting and sculpture and more simplistic and oftentimes massive forms. So our first step today is going to be organization. So whenever you go to organize your closet, what you're going to be doing is you're going to be organizing it into different shapes. So whenever you think of shapes, think about your coats being thicker. So you're going to organize all of your thicker coats together. You're going to organize all of your really long dresses together. You're going to organize your thin t-shirts together. And this is going to create shapes. And then the next step, number 2, is going to be color. So you're going to kind of finish off the shapes by creating these blocks of color. And you're going to have all of your blacks together, all of your reds together, all of that kind of thing. And then our third tip is going to be hangers. So having unified hangers will create a unified closet, and it'll create more of that minimalistic, solid look because you're looking at one baseline, one solid line across, opposed to different hangers that hang at different heights, and it can kind of mess up that nice straight line that you're looking at typically if you have all of the same hangers. And then another thing with hangers is spacing them correctly. So what you want to do is you want to space your hangers about an inch apart, and they actually do this in retail because if you can see the clothes easier, then you're more likely to purchase the clothes, or in this case, you're more likely to wear the clothes. And then number 4 is going to be display. So right now, obviously you saw I have my clothes in my closet and they're on display in my closet. But you don't necessarily have to have your clothes on display in your closet. You can buy a wardrobe, or like an open or a closed wardrobe, and you can get those as cheap as $21 at Target. And those generally have racks, sometimes one rack and then it'll have a shelf next to it, or it'll have 2 racks and then another shelf next to it. And these are really amazing because the whole goal of having a minimalistic wardrobe is to express yourself through these colors and create a create an art form. Basically like creating a picture. You wouldn't hang a picture on the wall and then put a whole bunch of clutter around it. No, you want to display your clothes because they are your personality, they are your art form, so you want to display them as such. And so having a place to display your clothes is really important. The next thing I suggest is to clean your floor. This is number 5, by the way. To clean your floor and have some clean, nice, vacuumed carpet will always make your area look more minimalistic. Also, if you have any scrapes or scratches on the wall, then take a little magic eraser and clean those up, because having that nice clean background will definitely create more of a minimalistic look, and then it'll add to your wardrobe and create that minimalistic thing that you're going for. And then 6 is to like I mentioned before, to avoid having clutter in the place that you're storing your clothes. So that can be anywhere from boxes in your closet to having extra blankets in your closet. Just store them in a different location, or maybe move your clothes into a wardrobe somewhere that you can just focus on, okay, I woke up, now I'm getting dressed, and here's my clothes. I'm so happy to see them. I'm happy to embrace this wardrobe that I have that I love, and you're not distracted by the other things in the environment, like I said, a blanket, or you have that spare Christmas tree you hide in the closet. You're not distracted by those different items. You're thinking about your wardrobe and this art form that you have. And so I hope that these 6 tricks really helped you to think about ways that you can organize your closet. And again, that is to 1, organize it, 2, color, 3, hangers, 5, display, and then actually 4 is display, then 5 is to clean the floor, and 6 is to avoid storing things in your closet. And I hope this helped you, and I hope you have a wonderful day.